Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI platform, which is Buzz AI. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about the Buzz AI help sales teams automate outreach with smart features like lead enrichment, personalized emails, and CRM integration. It's fast, data-driven, and built to scale prospecting without losing the human touch, which is very perfect for small and mid-sized team wanting efficiency. However, its advanced tools can feel overwhelming at first, and pricing may be high for solo users. But if you are after a reliable platform that boosts conversion through automation and insight, Buzz AI actually worth using. And that's it. And do you know that this review is based on user collective details? And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.